asking a girl out to prom can take a whole bunch of cojones. If there's a girl you like that you want to ask out to prom, the best way to do it is to find her in a situation when she's not around friends or individuals that could influence her decision. So try to find her when she's on her own. Okay, try to catch her at a time like that. The actual process of asking her out to prom should be as simple as this: Hey, how are you? I'm such and such. Would you like to go to prom with me? It really should be very concise. One of the big mistakes that guys make is just going on a diatribe and just talking and talking and talking, and they just end up turning off the girl before they've even gotten to ask the girl out to prom. Okay, so you need to be very direct with asking her out. Okay, so find her in a situation when she's pretty much alone. No one's going to be around her that could influence her decision, and just ask her.